Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video, guys. If you have a Kia Optima and you're trying to find the fuse, guys, for the variable timing solenoids, also known as Vvt solenoids. Those are super important because they actually adjust your timing, guys. You have variable timing, you have two of them, one on the intake camshaft, one on the exhaust. We'll explain where they're located, and we'll have a special video that explains how to clean those, because most of the times you can test them and clean them, fix them yourself instead of replacing them, guys. So all that will be on the channel. In addition, we'll share the fuse now, where the fuse is located, and always test the fuses even if you're replacing them with brand new fuses. We'll explain why. Make sure to stay until the end. These guys should work on Kia Optima, guys, generation 2010 all the way to 2015. Some years may differ, but most of them will be that way. Also, let me tell you quick, if you have that Kia Optima, guys, we'll have more than 200 free electrical and diagnostic videos on this channel you're watching right now. It's called Electrical Car Repair Live, and we'll be having more than 300 mechanical videos taking the whole engine apart, transmission apart, on our YouTube channel, World Mechanics, guys. Okay, World Mechanics right here. Check it out. Very helpful information will be shared there, everything from start to finish, videos that will teach you how to practically rebuild your engine. In addition, if you need to buy any parts, tools, anything like that, we'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. Why we make all these videos? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. Let's start on it now. So right here, guys, you can see 2.4 liter engine. So if you look at it now, okay, right here, this is the variable timing, okay, variable timing solenoid, okay, for the intake side is right here, for the exhaust side is on the back side, and it's all the way, okay, back here, okay, that long thing. So that's where those things are, guys, located. Now, what about that fuse, guys? Okay, what about that fuse? The fuse, it's pretty simple. That's a fuse box right here. We have one notch here, one there. You go ahead, squish, pull straight up. On the back side you have the fuse numbers printed. But what we did, we actually tried to take a picture, zoom in a little bit so we can show you with a greater detail where those fuses are located. And the fuse, guys, it's known as a sensor 2 fuse. We will explain now how to remove it and how to test those, guys. So this is the fuse, okay, that 10 amp fuse right here. You can see this is the fuse. So you get the fuse puller that you have right here, grab it, go on top of the fuse, pull it out and remove it. Now, it's super important, guys, to actually go ahead and test the fuses. Even if you think it's a good fuse, test it, guys. Especially if you're replacing them with new ones, test them again. Sometimes you may have a defective fuse, and if you think you have a good fuse, you put it in the car, but actually it's a bad fuse, you still have problems with the variable timing or the car not starting, you will, guys, spend so much time and money to fix it. Okay, when all we had to do, test the fuse. We have a special video that explains how to do that, and we'll put the link in the description of the video below for your convenience. So please, guys, check it out. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.